When our body, mind, and breath unitedly work in harmony, our action becomes yoga. A bit of warm up before any strong exercise will help to avoid injuries. Move your wrist joints, ankle joints, knee joints, hip joints. By moving these joints, they will awaken the muscles connecting to the joints, muscles and tendons. They will help our body to move into deeper asanas. Now have your arms and shoulders loose and swing side to side. This will help to unwind your spinal vertebrae and spinal muscles and facilitate your movements. Now bring your arms behind. Let us bend forward and backward. Just open the front body and the back body. Inhaling, exhale, bend forward. Move your arms away from your back. Open your shoulders, straighten your legs. And push your head downward. And with an inhalation, bend your knees and come up. Again, open your chest up, head up, arms down. Exhale, release. Now let us start. Let us start to move. Bring your feet together, stand tall, shoulders down, and with an inhalation, open your arms to the sides and up above your head. With an exhalation, bend your knees to Uttanasana. Sit as if you are sitting on a chair with arms and spine extended up. Then you bend forward, bring your palms down either side of your feet. Then bring your chest down to the thighs and forehead down to the legs. And try to straighten your legs as much as you can. Catch your ankles or the heels wherever you can to get a deeper stretch to the spine and the leg muscles. Then release your hands, place your palms either side of your feet, step your right leg back and support with your right toes. Keep your right leg straight and strong. Take your both arms up to the prayer and extend them over your head to Virabhadrasana. From there, breathe out, bring your palms down to the side of your left foot and step your left leg backward with an inhalation and strong body in Santolan Asana. Then you breathe out, bring your body parallel to the ground. Chaduranga Dandasana. Bend your elbows, just bend your elbows. From there, with an inhalation, you push your body forward, extend your arms and spine, long spine, strong arms, knees are in the air. And exhale, roll your toes and push your hips up to the skies and press your heels down, press your chest down to the feet, press your forehead down to the mat, open your shoulders, strengthen and lengthen your spine. And inhale, step your right leg forward. Place your right foot in between your palms with a strong left leg. Both arms up to prayer and up over your head to Virabhadrasana. Strong legs here. Long spine and arms. Breathe out. Bring your arms down either side of your right foot and step your left leg forward. Bend forward and inhale. Bend your knees. Extend your arms forward. Come up. Reach up, relax your arms. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let us repeat to the left side. Breathe in, come up. And exhale, sit to Uttanasana and bend forward to Padahastasana, exhalation. Now relax your hands, palms down with an inhalation, left leg back, straighten your left leg. Both legs are strong and arms to prayer. Extend them over your head with an inhalation. Exhale down. Inhale, step your right leg back. Strong arms, strong abdomen, strong legs. Breathe out, bend your elbows, bring your body parallel to the ground. Inhale, push forward, long spine, shoulders down away from the ears. Exhale, roll your toes, push your hips up, press your heels down, press your chest down, press your forehead downward. And inhale, step your left leg forward, left foot in between your palms. Extend, arms up. Breathe out. Step your right leg forward, chest and head down, face down. Now, let us come up with the knees bent, arms forward, extend your arms up, then straighten your legs. Exhale, come to prayer position. You can choose to repeat the same practice twice or thrice, better 3 times. But if you are an absolute beginner, you can just relax in savasana. As your body becomes stronger, you can repeat 2 or 3 times. The whole body gets benefit from this practice. Okay, but remember, when you complete, relax in shavasana to ensure the whole body comes to its natural harmonious state. Very good. Wish you all the best. I will see you in the next video. Namaste.